Jealousy is delaying development in Africa. I ask myself several questions that why do people hate success so much? And while they want to achieve that success, while they want to attract it, it won't be possible. If you can't appreciate success, it won't come to you. Simple as that. That's why I don't waste time in jealousy people in their nice car, nice house, nice clothes. I always say, brother, you look good. Brother, you're so handsome. Brother, you understand? So it gives you peace. But you find out no, you're a person who goes fasting again. For what? Why? What is the chase all about? Don't do such things. Continue working hard and don't be ashamed of your situation. Appreciate your current situations. You see, so success can appreciate you. Simple as that. What is it? People, they hate each other over what? What is competition all about? I don't know where competition comes from. So I'm not a product of competition. I'm a product of human being. I'm a product of God. I'm the image of God. You're the image of God. I know my roots as a human being. I don't know the roots of competition. Maybe it's from Satan. Who knows? See, so be yourself. Love yourself. Respect people around you. But be careful of your friends. Be careful of them. Most of them, they're not at peace. Some of them, they're just there to